Alright, so now we know how to create an index and have it be a unique index by giving the unique true option. Now, the problem is, what if you want to create an index on a collection, but there are duplicate keys in the collection? Now, there is a way to do this inside MongoDB, but it's a bit dangerous, but I want you to know about it. If you want to remove the duplicate keys when creating the index, you can do it by giving the drop dupes option and setting it to true, while also setting the unique option to true. So you have to set unique to true and drop dupes to true. And what this will do is, as it goes through the collection and creates the index, if it finds more than one document with the same key, it will remove all the documents except for one. And there's no way to control which one it removes. So this is a pretty big sledgehammer to solve the problem, but it will work. So those documents are irretrievably deleted from the collection, and I wouldn't recommend this, but if this is what you want, then you can do it. Let me show it to you in the shell. Here I have a collection, the collection things, and I've done db.things.find, and you can see there's 3 things in here. Each of them has a key thing, and there's a pear, apple, and pear. So if I want to create an index on that, I can do that. I'm going to do db.things.ensureIndex and put it on thing ascending, and now I'm going to offer unique equals true. And if I did that, I should find that it will fail because, after all, there's a duplicate. Alright, so if we try to do that, we get a duplicate key error when it tries to create the index. So let's go through it now and let's remove all the duplicates. I'm going to give the same ensureIndex command, but this time I'm going to say drop dupes true to drop the duplicates. And if I do that, then the index succeeds. And if I now look in the collection, I'll find that indeed one of my 2 items for pear was a duplicate key, has been removed. Now there's only 2 documents in the collection. And if you look and see what indexes are on the collection, you'll see there's now an index in the collection that is unique, true, and also it noted that drop dupes was true during the creation, so that you know that. Alright, it is time for a quiz. If you choose the drop dupes option when creating a unique index, what will MongoDB do to documents that conflict with an existing index entry? Move them to an archive collection? Unset the conflicting key so that they can be indexed and remain in the collection? Remove them but write the deleted documents in JSON to a special file in the log directory, or delete them forever and ever? Amen.